What's up guys, welcome back. Jax from the finale thumbnail. So this looks insanely creepy from Amazing Digital Circus. What is Jax going to do? it's those big black eyes. Thought it'd be a good one. Pretty easy to draw as well. So, and it's like cool looking. So, let's just start with those big eyes of his. So you do like a big curved line up and down, right? I'm on a landscape page, but this would work portrait as well. So I'm just going to go real big. Right? And then the bottom of it curves around. Like so. Then we do same thing over here. So we'll go up and over again. Like that, and then back in. There. And then we have those big black eyes. So I'll draw the lines in, and they're straight pretty much in the corner here. Right, and then like down here as well. And there are no shines in them. They're just black. Which is probably what makes it like super creepy as well. So all that be colored black. You'd be a while doing that, but it does look good when it's black. So then we'll go this way for his mouth underneath, just like big cartoon character mouth. That's the top lip. And then we'll go down around. So it's kind of like a banana shape. Up to there. And then he has the teeth inside, and again they're kind of straight like his eyes as well. Like so, and you see these ones like go in, you know, and that one's like straight down the middle. So his head. So it's like his ears are up there, but his head is like just goes around to all this. And I think it like, is his neck in there? I'm not sure. So I'll keep it going. I think we can see his neck. It's very blurry down there. There. And then his ears go off the top of the page. Very big long ears on Jax. And then we'll just join them together. Like so. And then like maybe we can see like a little bit of his neck just down here. But his shoulders are mostly kind of hunched over. And we just get his clothing. Down like that. And that's it pretty much. That's the basic anyway. But if you want, like sometimes like to make him look a bit 3D, you'd add like, see like this edge line that's coming around his lip, just a light one. This is optional now. Like there, it's like there's a shadow on his lip there. And then on the eyes as well, just around here. You don't have to do this, but it does kind of make him look just that little bit more like 3D. if you just add some edge lines around things. But again, it's not essential. Like so. I'll do that one in there actually. Yeah, and then black eyes, yellow teeth, yellow around the eyes and stuff. That's it. Nice, easy one. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.